Over there. E. Hello. Ayo. Thanks. Watch out. Hold position.
All right.
Roger that.
You've
Let's
been
run
moving
like hell.
Let's try this. You look terrible. Hold still. This won't hurt a bit. This, Mr. Freeman, is a long jump module created expressly for navigation in the world beyond. I certainly hope you received long jump training, because once you're in